This conference, of course, is about bringing together the people with the competencies and the skill sets to make this ecosystem work.
Our goal at Health 2.0 is to help everybody out here who's building tools and changing the world, to really surface their inventions, their work, to really improve the healthcare experience for everybody.
At Health Experience Refactored, we're bringing together the brightest, most forward-thinking designers and innovators to share tips and inspire us around how can we leverage human-centered design and technology to help improve health experiences.
When people dance, increase serotonin, oxytocin, and make them feel happier and more trustful. And this is essential for patients who's going through the most difficult challenge in their life.
At HxRefactored, our goal is to develop a deep understanding and empathy for the people we serve so that we can partner with them and help them achieve better health.
Great stories are critical to great design. If we want to create things that are effective and easy to use and fit into people's lives, then we need to understand the stories around the context of how these things will be used and experienced.
Right now, the patient is at the center of a very disconnected ecosystem. At HxR, we're trying to figure out how to connect them with the people, the tools, the resources that they need to achieve better health. We're working toward designing an ecosystem focused on care.
I'd like to suggest that there are 4 really powerful cornerstones, foundations, that we can stand on if we want our speech to be powerful and to make change in the world.
If you leave your patient empowered better to make decisions about what they're going to do, you've succeeded in delivering a health intervention.
Design can help improve the human condition. This isn't idealism, it's good business. We're part of a mission, and that mission is powerful. Together, we can transform healthcare. The conference brings together people from across the health spectrum and from every single discipline to collaborate, to be inspired, to network, and to share.